Welcome everybody to the Future Space Collective, where we explore the world of products for imagination. Today I'm going to try holding the mic like this, like I see all the other YouTubers do. And we're going to give you a tour of my Govee setup. Yes, that's right, I have some new and exciting Govee products to show you. If you follow me over here, the first thing we have is the new Govee Glide Hexa Pro panels. These are these 3D cube looking panels on the wall here. What they basically do is they give you an emulated 3D effect, and they come with like a ton of presets, a ton of different lighting effects to really capture the imagination, if you will. They also have nice backlit lighting, and you can obviously, being Govee and interchangeable, you can build out and design any pattern you like. So you can buy expansion tiles, you could build to your heart's contempt here. They really do add a cool effect, and Govee's got tons of different patterns and pattern designers for you to choose from, different lightings effects, different scene effects, all integrates into the Govee ecosystem. It's beautiful. I love it. Okay, so another thing that I've done, and this was a huge pain to do, is I've actually upgraded the LED strip lighting on the desk here and changed it to Govee's new M1 strips. These light strips are absolutely fantastic because they have 60 LEDs per meter. Govee has effectively doubled the LEDs per meter, giving us the brightest, most powerful light strip on the market. Not only that, but there are 50 different customizable segments that you can actually program the light strip to be if you want it all different colors or different effects. It does a lot of crazy, fun, cool stuff here, starting from this side of the desk, wrapping around all the way to the other end of the desk. It really gives a certain animation in life to the desk when it's on and it's playing. There are 64 different scene modes, and you can of course integrate this all into Govee's ecosystem and control other lights and other scene modes to all interact with each other. Now, following Govee's M1 lighting strip, I have also upgraded the TV backlights and backlighting strips. Okay, so this is the Govee Envisual T2 strips for your TV. Just like the M1s, they're now this new line of Govee strip lighting that packs 60 LEDs per meter. So they're super bright, super clean. And what this lighting kit does is it has a camera, and this camera reads the picture on screen and sends all of that color information to the backlights of the TV and give you an enhanced picture viewing experience. It's really cool. It works really well. This new T2 package has an upgraded dual camera feature, which gives you more accuracy in reading the colors on the screen. It's also better suited towards thinner TVs. But if you're on a bit of a budget, you can still buy the T1 series lighting kit. That is a very popular kit and works very well. The main differences being is it doesn't have the 60 LEDs per meter, and the camera, it's a bit smaller. It's a single camera. But other than that, they're pretty similar, and they both integrate into the Govee ecosystem. They do the music modes, syncing, all that great fun stuff. Let's keep moving forward. So this is what I call my little lighting corner here. And there are a few other Govee products, namely the Govee Aura table lamp. Now I have done a video on this. Ton of colors, ton of presets. You can't really see its magic immersed with all the other lights here, but if you put it in a dark room just on its own, you can light up that room with a bunch of different colors, add RGB, add some fun, add some splash paint with colors. We also have the Govee Glide right here, which I've also done a video on. These are diffused, sort of thick light panels, which you can mount on your wall and configure, again, in any shape. You can customize it. I've seen a ton of different YouTubers do different things with this. Great for gaming setups. All this stuff is great for your desk setup or gaming setup specifically. My other favorite Govee product in this corner is the Govee Glow table lamp. And this one's my favorite because it has a quite different aesthetic than what you would see from a table lamp. It has this sort of grill finish to it. So it does all these different colors. Again, has all the different scene modes. I have as well done a video on this lamp, but I personally love this lamp. I think it looks really cool. It's a conversation piece for sure. It's priced right, and it's very pretty to look at, very mesmerizing. One more cool Govee product I want to show you. Follow me this way. This is a smart air purifier from Govee. You're running a lot of electronics, you got pets running around, people. This will keep your room fresh. It kills 99.9% of bacteria, air pollutants, dust. Suck all that stuff in and give you nice, fresh air coming out. Any odor is supposed to clean all that stuff up. It looks cool too. It's got this nice little ring light here, and it's actually super quiet. I thought I was gonna be concerned about the noise. Very cool to run this. I'm actually running 2 now, and I really like it. I've been really enjoying it. It makes you feel like the air is cleaner and everything's nice and crisp, especially if you're getting sick a lot, if you have bad dust allergies. And of course, it integrates into the Govee ecosystem, the Govee app, which means it is smart. You can control it with Google Home or Alexa, just like all of these other things. That's it. This is the Govee Room Tour 2023. I'm obviously running a ton of other lights in here, guys and gals. So if you have any questions about any of the other lights, please ask them in the comments. With every video, I list all the items you see here in the description of the video. So check out that video description. This is the Future Space Collective, where we explore the world of products for imagination. I'll see you guys in the next video.